India's economy, once hailed as the world's fastest-growing major economy, is now hitting a serious speed bump. GDP growth has plummeted to a two-year low of 5.4%. What's causing this sharp decline, and how does it impact you, the middle-class Indian trying to make ends meet? Today, we're breaking it all down. Brace yourselves, because this isn't just about numbers, it's about livelihoods, dreams, and the future of our nation. Let's start with the facts. In the last quarter, India's GDP grew at just 5.4%, a sharp drop from 6.7% in the previous quarter. Economists predicted 6.2%, but reality hit harder. The Reserve Bank of India aimed for 7% annual growth. Now, that target seems nearly impossible. But why is this happening? First, urban wages are shrinking. Middle-class incomes have contracted, leading to less spending, even on essentials like food. Reports show household spending is at a two-year low. This has triggered a chain reaction. Major companies like Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Auto, and Hindustan Unilever are reporting weak earnings. The middle class isn't buying, and the economy is feeling the pinch. Let's be real. When the middle class suffers, the entire nation feels it. This isn't just an economic issue, it's a personal crisis for millions of families. Another key factor: government spending. For the first half of 2024, only 37% of the $132 billion budget was utilized. Why? Elections. Policies prevent governments from launching major projects during election periods. Now that the elections are over, spending hasn't picked up speed, leaving critical projects in limbo. Inflation is another silent killer. Food prices have surged by over 10%, squeezing every rupee out of households. Meanwhile, high interest rates mean loans are expensive, keeping inflation in check but hurting growth. And taxes. The middle class is paying more in taxes than ever before. Reports reveal that their tax burden is now higher than that of corporates. Shocking, isn't it? Corporate tax cuts were meant to drive investments and jobs. Instead, profits soared, but jobs didn't. And who's bearing the brunt? You guessed it, the middle class. It's not all doom and gloom. Rural India shows signs of recovery, with festive spending and a bumper harvest expected to lift rural incomes. But will this be enough to revive the economy? That's the big question. When GDP falls, jobs are lost and dreams are put on hold. The unemployment rate is at a 40-year high. Families are cutting back on essentials and businesses are struggling to stay afloat. This isn't just about numbers, it's about the daily struggles of real people. A weak economy means less spending, reduced production, and a plummeting stock market. It's a vicious cycle, and the middle class is caught in the middle. Let's talk fuel. Despite falling crude oil prices, petrol and diesel remain overpriced. The government saved $25 billion by importing cheaper oil from Russia. Yet where's the relief for the people? And savings? They're at a 50-year low. Even fixed deposits can't keep up with inflation. People are losing money even when they're trying to save. It's a no-win situation. So, what's the solution? Economists suggest reducing the tax burden on the middle class, spurring consumer spending, and accelerating government projects. These steps could bring the economy back on track. This isn't just an economic issue, it's a wake-up call for all of us. The middle class is the backbone of this country, and they deserve better. What do you think? Should the government provide relief to the middle class? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Together, let's spark a conversation that matters. India's future depends on you. Stay informed, stay empowered. On-screen text.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.